3.9 billion naira wọ́n dá 3.1 billion naira sápò. Ńbo lórílẹ̀‐èdè Nàìjíríà ń lọ? Ńbo ni Nàìjíríà ń lọ? Kí làwọn olórí wa ń fi wá pè? Tàwọn olórí wa bẹ́tà o. Àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀yìn tá ń tẹ̀lé wọn. Kọ́lọ́ má jẹ́ kéèyàn bọ́ sóko àánú, kọ́lọ́ má jẹ́ èèyàn bàjẹ́. Majority àwọn ọ̀dọ́ tán bá ń sọ̀rọ̀ òmìnira ọkọ̀ èèyàn wọ́n máa ń bìlì pé gbogbo èèyàn lọ́gọ̀. Níjó ní ìta sọ̀rọ̀ wípé àwọn ọmọ yìí wọ́n release wọn ni wọn ò rescue wọn. Oríṣiríṣi àwọn èèyàn ló mẹ́sẹ̀gì mi pé kí n má dá Ṣèyí Mákindé lóhùn jàre. Ó sọ̀rọ̀ pẹ̀lú emotion ni ńgbà tó ní wọ́n gbọ́dọ̀ investigate ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ yẹn. Tèmi náà padà wá wípé kíní ọ̀hún rùyàn lójú níwọ̀n bá díẹ̀ kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀. Kọmíṣánná ní fídíò àwọn ajínigbé lọ́wọ́ bó ló ṣe rí. Ìjọba ń sọ fáwọn ajínigbé pé kí wọ́n má bá negotiator kan sọ̀rọ̀. Negotiator kan ni kí wọ́n bá sọ̀rọ̀. Àwọn ajínigbé send fídíò kò clear tó. Negotiator tún bẹ̀rẹ̀ another one that is eléyìí tán máa present fún government. Àwọn ajínigbé láì àwọn ọmọ ọlọ́mọ ní sísẹ̀ntẹ̀lé sínú fídíò pé ẹ máa wò ó a máa pa wọ́n léraléra ní ìsinyìí tíjọba ọba ti sọ̀rọ̀. Iléeṣẹ́ ológun jáde with confidence wọ́n láwọn rescue wọn ni àwa appreciate wọn àwa ń kí wọn kú iṣẹ́. Ẹ máa gbọ́rọ̀ lẹ́nu ẹni tí wọ́n jọ negotiate. Ẹ farabalẹ̀ bí ìyàwó tó fowó ọbẹ̀ dájọ́. Ní tí mo kàn máa ń like lára mi ni wípé mi bá ti dúró lórí nǹkan kan mo dúró lórí ẹ̀ náà nù. Mi bá ti ní nǹkan kan ìmọ́lẹ̀ nǹkan ò tàn sí mi kò tàn sí mi náà nìyẹn. But majority wa máa ń wà too emotional. A ò kí ń lè ní sùúrù. A ò kí ní second thought. We believe whatever we hear. Láì gbé wò, láì gbé yẹ̀wò, láì yẹ̀wò, láì tún rò. Rógbèsè ayé wo la ń gbé wọn? Wọ́n dá Ṣèyí Mákindé lóhùn jàre. Well, emotional ló fi ń sọ̀rọ̀, emotion ló fi ń sọ̀rọ̀. Ẹnìkan send message sí mi pé kí n má tẹ̀ síbi tí Ṣèyí Mákindé tẹ̀ sí o. Màmá kan mẹ́sẹ̀gì mi ó ní kí n má gbowó lọ́wọ́ Ṣèyí Mákindé o. I was like ṣé Ṣèyí Mákindé ń háwó ni? Kẹ́ni tèmi wà máì. Tí Ṣèyí Mákindé ó fi fún mi lówó fún kíni owó kíni ó fún mi. Sọ̀rọ̀ tó wà ń bi pé kéèyàn ó sòótọ́ ni àbí kéèyàn ó sọ èrò èèyàn. Ṣé dandan ni kí gbogbo owó rí nǹkan bákan náà ni? Ọ̀rọ̀ tí wọ́n sọ yọ yà yín lẹ́nu. Níbi tí mo ti mọ̀ wípé ọjọ́ iwájú ran orílẹ̀-èdè yìí ń mì lẹ́sẹ̀. Ìgbà tárákùnrin kan ti sọ́njọ́ ní wípé state méjì àbí pé state on benefit nínú owó gbàmọ́bìnú tí wọ́n ní kán máa fáwọn ajínigbé tó repentant Boko Haram. Zamfara state government ó lóun wọ́n máa fún ọ lówó oṣù èlò 70,000 naira. Borno state government yóò gba 70,000 naira. Yóò fáwọn ọkọ̀ afẹ̀míṣòfò yìí tí wọ́n láwọn ti dà tún bí yóò fún wọn ní 50,000 naira. 20,000 naira tó jọ state government lójú láti rẹ́gẹ̀ lórí èèyàn kan ṣoṣo. Does that make any sense? So ngbà táwọn èèyàn kan sọ wípé àwọn ìjínigbé wọ̀nyí wà politically motivated pé ọlọ́wọ́ òṣèlú nú gbogbo wa ń wọ́ndà pé báwo ló ṣe máa lọ́wọ́ òṣèlú nú. Wọ́n ní tí campaign bá ti ń bọ̀ àwọn èèyàn kan ó dẹ̀ mọ déédéé rò pé báwo làwọn náà ti fẹ́ rówó campaign tàwọn gbà state government wá fi wá ṣe business state government ń fa àwọn ọmọ ọlọ́mọ ṣe business ta ló san 5 billion naira fún state government that is federal government wọ́n lọ possible kí Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu ọmọ mọ̀ then sáà máa ń sòsà lódò kí làbẹ́làbẹ́ ọmọ mọ̀ ni bó ni wọ́n ṣe ṣe nǹkan ní federal táàrí orílẹ̀-èdè ò ní mọ̀ nípa rẹ̀ so wọ́n lè fa 5 billion naira yọ táàrí ò ní mọ̀ sí tí ò ní mọ̀ sí tí ò ní mọ̀ nípa rẹ̀ tẹ́nìkan kò dẹ̀ ní fíìlì ẹ̀ that means owó tí wọ́n ń jí kó lójoojúmọ́ ò níye nu because ẹ̀rọ orílẹ̀-èdè yìí ń bà mí to some length ń gbé báwo ní nǹkan ṣe ń lọ báyìí ṣé bí ọ̀dẹ̀ sì máa lọ náà nìyẹn ìjọba ń parọ́ fún wa ṣẹ́rù ọ̀bẹ yín kò sóòótọ́ ní Nàìjíríà òótọ́ dọ́jà òkúta owó gèrègèrè owó ńláńlá là ń rèké máà ní sọ̀rọ̀ ó fọ̀rọ̀ tì ó ní àwọn ikọ̀ afẹ̀míṣòfò tó káwọn ọmọ kéékèèké yìí wọ́n pe òun ní fídíò kọ̀ wọ́n á bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí níbẹ̀ wọ́n pé kí wọ́n má pa àwọn ọmọ ọlọ́mọ kí wọ́n fẹ́ pa wọ́n fún kí wọ́n ní sùúrù jẹ́jẹ́ ń jẹ́ kẹ́ gbọ́rọ̀ lẹ́nu ẹ̀ kọ́mọ́dà bí àárẹ̀ sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń wọlé ẹ̀kan bá mi pín program ẹ̀ bá mi share ẹ̀ ẹ jẹ́ kó dọ́dọ̀ àwọn èèyàn kan gbogbo àwọn tí ń lenu belebele ìjọba ò lè mọ̀ ń pa rẹ̀ ìjọba ò san ransom ìjọba ó dé ìta gbangba pé láyéláyé àwọn ò lè san ikọ̀ afẹ̀míṣòfò gba wọ́n request fún 5 billion naira 5 million kọ́ o 50 million kọ́ o 500 million naira kọ́ o 5 good billion naira làwọn ajínigbé ń béèrè fún ransom àpapọ̀ àwọn ọmọ tán jí kó ó lé ní 400 if not political motivated nbo lè yín ó kó ọmọ 400 gbà bí bá ṣe pé ìjọba ìpínlẹ̀ mọ̀ nípa rẹ̀ sorry nbo náà máa kó wọn gbà mi fẹ́ lo àmì fàágùn rárá àkó tí mo fẹ́ lò ń bí ọ̀pọ̀ mi fẹ́ jẹ́ kó pọ̀ rárá ẹ jẹ́ yóò wù mí káwọn gbọ́ràn síra wa lẹ́nu bàbá ráwọn èèyàn tí wọ́n ń gbìyànjú láti tàn mọ́lẹ̀ sí nǹkan ká jẹ́ kí ẹlẹ́ẹ̀dẹ́ wọn kó máa bá ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ́ rẹ̀ jálẹ̀ ẹ má fi bẹ́yìn ṣe jó lóṣèlú nǹkan ẹyọ kan tó ràn mí lọ́wọ́ láyé mi ni pé mi ò kí ń so lóṣèlú ọ̀rọ̀ òṣèlú kì í dẹ̀ kó sí mi lọ́pọlọ no I love it that way ó rí lè ràn mí lọ́wọ́ gan-an because mo jókòó mo wò ó dáadáa tí n bá jó lóṣèlú máa wà bias dandan ni kí n gbèsè gbé òṣèlú mi lẹ́yìn ṣùgbọ́n tí n bá jó lóṣèlú máa ní freedom màá lè sọ̀rọ̀ sí ẹni olóṣèlú tell everybody ó mọ̀ wípé ọmọ tí ń sọ ṣùgbọ́n tí n bá jó lóṣèlú wọn ó ti mọ̀ mí mẹ́gbẹ́ òṣèlú kan ọ̀rọ̀ ńlá tẹ máa gbọ́ yọ́ yà yín lẹ́nu mi ò rírò ẹ̀rí láyé mi o. State government ń gain nínú owó ìdàlúrú ìjọba ìpínlẹ̀ náà tó ń yọ owó sẹ́yìn. That is àwọn náà ni wọ́n sọ fáwọn ajínigbé iye tán máa béèrè. Gọ́vnà ni ó sáré lọ bá president tàbí lọ bá sáré bá presidency. Ẹgbà wa ń ta tó rí lélẹ́ o, iye àwọn ọmọ báyìí ni wọ́n kó o. Ẹ gbọ́ lọ́tún lósì lórílẹ̀‐èdè kí wọ́n máa pariwo ìjínigbé, kò sí nǹkan tí president yóò ṣe jù pé kí ni solution lọ. What can we do? Kí la lè ṣe? Kí lẹ rò pa lè ṣe? Ntí ìjọba àpapọ̀ ọmọ tí ọmọ sọnù. All right. Now, ẹ̀jẹ̀ àṣì láwẹ́láwẹ́.
Yes, of course. You see some of these attacks, these are politically motivated attacks. Now let me put it very clear to Nigerians, because normally when I come on live or anywhere, they know what happens. I get to put out whatever. Now you look at these attacks happening from the...
Mama o, ẹni tí ń sọ̀rọ̀ yìí, ó jẹ́ olórí àwọn ọ̀dọ́, orúkọ rẹ̀ a máa jẹ́ Samaila Kaigama, President of the Borno South Youth Alliance. Òun ló ń sọ̀rọ̀ yìí. That is ọmọ nǹkan tí ń sọ. Ẹ já farabalẹ̀ gbọ́.
Period they started. It started around the political, in fact, campaign period, preparations for elections and all that. Now, the women of the Goshe, that is the 460 women and children. They were what? They were at a specific point. You see the media talking about they were rescued, they were this, they were that. We did the mediations.
Ṣé ń gbọ́rọ̀? Media àti iléeṣẹ́ ológun pariwo pé wọ́n rescue wọn ni. Ó ní we did the mediation. That is, abọ́sàárín àwọn ajínigbé yìí, àwọn kó afẹ̀míṣòfò yìí àti ìjọba láti negotiate láàrin wọn. We did the kì í ṣe pé ó sọ pé dè ó wà ń bẹ̀ ó involve. Àwọn ajínigbé ṣe fídíò call pẹ̀lú ẹ̀, wọ́n send fídíò sí.
I spoke to those people. I put those people into a position whereby they have to make a demand. Because
I spoke with those people.
Initially, they had no plans of releasing those people.
You spoke to the terrorists?
Of course, I was the one who made all the process. The video you saw online, I was the one who directed them to get.
Can you imagine? The video you saw online, I was the one who directed them to do the video. Ìjọba ìpínlẹ̀ Borno, èmi rò wípé ó yẹ kí ìjọba àpapọ̀ kí wọ́n investigate ẹ̀. Ṣé ká sọ pé gbogbo ìjọba ìpínlẹ̀ Borno, gbogbo àwọn tó bá jẹ́ gómìnà ńbẹ̀ ni wọ́n máa ń ṣe àwọn iṣẹ́ yẹn ni? Ṣé Borno nìkan ni wọ́n ti ń lóru grace at opportunity yẹn láti extort the federal government? Allegedly. Gómìnà kan bẹ̀ wọ́n lọ wà nínú àwọn tí ń sponsor ìjínigbé, ìfẹ̀mí èèyàn ṣòfò, ká má dárúkọ òyìnbó ẹ̀. Wọ́n jọ ń ṣèjọba ni. Ìpínlẹ̀ Borno ọ̀nà ti máa fún ọ lówó rọ̀gùnrọ̀gùn tán wọ́n fẹ́ empowerment tí wọ́n ra wheelbarrow tí wọ́n rọ sàn sínú ẹ̀, wọ́n bí wọ́n ra tray wọ́n rọ sàn sínú ẹ̀, wọ́n rọ wọ́n fọ̀bẹ́ sí, wọ́n náà empower náà nìyẹn. Ìpínlẹ̀ Borno náà ni wọ́n ti ra pátákó shoemaker tán náà fi empower àwọn èèyàn.
video for us. You know, it took me around 2 to 3 weeks communicating with them until I got to the top, you know. And
it took me 2 to 3 weeks.
Of wherever I was supposed to reach. We had this discussion. They agreed to make the video proof of life.
They agreed to make the video.
One thing Nigerians don't know, made the first video. The first video was not good enough. I had to still tell them to make another, which kind of brought some, you know, and all that, but it was settled. At the end of the day, they made a second video and the world got to see. So now, when the whole process came to a specific point...
Now, money question kan fẹ́ni tí ń sọ̀rọ̀ yìí. Kí ló dé tó fi sọ̀rọ̀ síta? Ṣé torí pé ó wà nínú negotiation? Ṣùgbọ́n gbà tí wọ́n fẹ́ release owó, wọ́n gbẹ̀gbẹ̀yìn ẹ̀ lọ. Ṣé lọ́jẹ́ kó sọ̀rọ̀ síta? Àbásìkò tó láti sọ̀rọ̀ síta bóun gangan wà disturbed. Because ó náà mọ̀ pọ́n máa sanwó. So náà encourage wọn kí gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì ó sanwó. Ṣé kò sínú àwọn tí wọ́n jọ ń pressurize government bí ẹ má wọrí ẹ san fún wọn kán lè release àwọn ọmọ yìí. Tí state government ò bá mọ̀ nípa rẹ̀, more than 400 akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ àtàwọn olùkọ́ ni wọ́n kó.
When the mediations came to a point whereby monies were to be paid.
Money was to be paid.
Let me quote and make it clear. Ransom.
Let me quote and make it clear.
Was paid.
Ransom was paid. Ransom was paid.
Keep it aside. We know that. Yes.
Keep it aside.
Of course. Okay. Ransoms was paid in billions. How much? Around 5 billion was released.
By who?
Around 5 billion was released. Mo nígbàgbọ́ pé ń gbọ́ àbí? It's okay.
Well, you want to call it the federal or state government, but ransom.
You want to call it federal or state government, but ransom was paid. Ntẹ́fìmọ̀ wípé ọ̀dọ̀ federal government ló ti wá. Ó ní pé wọ́n release 5 billion naira. State government release 1.9 billion naira. Business tó wà lucrative gidi ni o, ní business yẹn o.
Were released. Now, those ransoms...
Was it by the federal government or by the state government?
You could put it as state government, federal government collaboration, because if there is a lot of outcry from the people, bring our people, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, sorry to say, I'm not a political supporter or anything of anybody. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is innocent. In anything you...
Tinubu is innocent. How can he be? Tí 5 billion naira bá jáde lápò federal government, tí president yóò mọ̀ síṣẹ́, how can you say he's innocent?
Security. State government are the ones orchestrating and making money out of this whole insecurity stuff.
Can you imagine? State government are the one that is making money from insecurity. Tabade sọ̀rọ̀ lọ taba sọ̀rọ̀ bọ̀ majority sọ wípé báwo ni so rọrùn fún state government láti kidnap àwọn ọmọ kí wọ́n tó máa bẹ̀ ransom ńlọ ń gbọ́ yìí ó rọrùn dáadáa.
Now, when those monies was almost paid, Senator Ali Dume, I quote and I quote again,
Senator Ali Dume, Senator tí ń tako Bọ́lá Tinubu nílé ìgbìmọ̀ ń jò ní òní negotiator láàrin àwọn ajínigbé láàrin ikọ̀ afẹ̀míṣòfò àtijọba. Tọ́yà o.
Ali Dume, according to what they told me, and I have evidence to back that.
According to what they told me, and I have evidence to back that. Ó ní voice note lọ́wọ́, olóríṣiríṣi nǹkan lọ́wọ́. Tọ́yà.
Said there is a media person that calls himself a media person, a second mediator. He is the Senator Ali Dume, a government person. They told us to communicate with him. It is only through him that monies will be paid. Monies will not...
Can you imagine? Wọ́n change mediator. Pé tí tó wọ̀ bá gbà ọ̀dọ̀ ẹni yẹn, wọ́n ní release owó. It is only through him the money will be paid. Bí ó bá ti wá jẹ́ true ẹ̀, ẹ gbàgbé ẹ̀ owó ò ní jáde. ta lẹni yẹn ta ló nítọ̀ ń ṣiṣẹ́ pọ̀ pẹ̀lú ńbo lówó ti jáde.
Be paid through anybody because he is their in-house mediator.
In-house mediator. Ìjọba ní agbẹnusọ tiwọn pẹ̀lú àwọn boko pẹ̀lú àwọn isuwa pẹ̀lú àwọn ajínigbé pẹ̀lú àwọn afẹ̀míṣòfò ní respect fẹgbẹ́ tán bá jẹ́ kílẹ̀ tá wa ń parọ́ tanra wa kí ló yẹ tán wá ń fà wá sínú òkùnkùn.
Do you get what I'm saying? If terrorists are able to tell you that there is an in-house mediator for government that monies will be paid only through.
Can you imagine if terrorists can be telling you that there is in-house mediator in the government house that can only pay through, that you can only pay through. All right.
What happens next? I told them, look, go ahead, do the mediations with him, release our people. That is all I want.
Okay. That is. Sorry o, owó dìjà láàrin wọn pẹ̀lú ẹni tí ń sọ̀rọ̀ yìí. Because bóyá lọ́kàn ẹ̀ kóun ó ṣe mediator kí gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì ó sanwó fóun kóun ó sanwó fáwọn ikọ̀ afẹ̀míṣòfò. And lo and behold bóun náà bá fẹ́ san fún wọn yóò béèrè court sorry wọn náà ó béèrè ẹ̀tọ́ tiẹ̀ ẹ dúró ṣé gbogbo ẹ̀ náà lẹ́gbàá tán ni èmi tí mo wá ṣe wàhálà tó wó fi jáde kọ́ sẹ́ẹ̀nì fèmí náà ní nǹkan kan nǹkan kan ó jáde sápò tiẹ̀.
They said it is fine. Normally we don't cross who we started with, but we will do it.
Hey, can you imagine? Normally we don't cross who we started with.
You decide you are fine with it.
But we will do it since you decide you are fine with it. Fine with what? We pay okay, ẹ ti negotiate pẹ̀lẹ́ lómi, go ahead. Ẹ gbowó lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ ṣùgbọ́n ẹ release àwọn èèyàn tiwa. Wọ́n wá ní àwọn òkè ń dálẹ̀ o. Ẹni táwọn bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ ni làwọn máa ń parí ọ̀rọ̀ pẹ̀lú ẹ̀. Ṣùgbọ́n gba táwọn gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì ti sọ wípé in-house mediator wà lọ́dọ̀ àwọn ò ní ìdí ara àta. Òun náà dẹ̀ sọ pé tó bá jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni kò sí wàhálà. Ẹ gbowó yín ẹ release àwọn èèyàn tiwa. Owó dìjà. It's okay.
Went ahead, they made the mediations, they received ransoms.
They received ransoms.
Later, they complained to me that the ransom they received was 1.9 billion.
Ibi Nàìjíríà ń rè yí o, ó mọ̀ ń bà mí lẹ́rù o. Wọ́n san ransom. Máàlù yìí ní later wọ́n complain fóun. Pé 1.9 billion naira ni wọ́n mọ̀ san fáwọn. 3.1 billion tó kù ńkọ́. Ẹ gbọ́rọ̀.
Whilst 5 billion was released, where is the 3 billion 100 million specifically? Who was the mediator sent in? They said it was a Senator Ali the mediator. So where are the monies? I have been speaking about this for a long time. You don't see DSS bringing in, okay, let's bring in these people. Let's see, let's investigate, let's get facts together. You don't see NSA saying it.
Can you imagine? Adẹ́nfẹ́ solution. Ẹ rójú olè ẹ ò mú, tìrẹ́kẹ́ ẹ rójú olè ẹ ò mú. Ọlọ́run dáríjì mi, Ọlọ́run dáríjì mi, Ọlọ́run dáríjì mi, Nàìjíríà yóò lè dáa. Ọlọ́run dáríjì mi o, Nàìjíríà ò lè ṣe kíni kò lè dáa. Nàìjíríà yìí la wà o. Tí gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì Buhari fi ní àwọn mọ àwọn èèyàn tí ń sponsor Boko Haram. Àwọn ní list wọn lọ́wọ́. Ṣùgbọ́n wọn ò release ẹ̀. Nàìjíríà yìí la wà. Toríṣiríṣi àwọn Boko tí wọ́n jẹ́wọ́ pé àwọn èèyàn báyìí ní sanwó àwọn, èèyàn báyìí ní gbowó àwọn, èèyàn báyìí ní sponsor àwọn, èèyàn báyìí ní motivate àwọn. Ìjọba ò gbégbèsè kankan lórí wọn. Tàwa ní tẹnìkan. Irú ẹni tó negotiate pẹ̀lú àwọn Boko yìí tó gba 5 billion jáde tó san 1.9 billion. Ẹ wo bọ́n ṣe máa ń dárúkọ owó bí ìbátan bá ń dárúkọ 120,000 naira. Ó yẹ kí ìjọba ó investigate àbí wọn ò ní investigate.
At a specific point, I try reaching Nuhu Ribadu. In every aspect, he says my call he does not pick. Because at a specific time when the conversation started, I got his number through the same Senator Alidume, but when mediations and all the process was on and set, monies was about to be paid, the conversation just cut all of a sudden. Then
can you imagine? All right.
Later, they now told me, because they tell me certain things. They told me, look, they sent in a different mediator. They said monies can only be paid through him. You know, so where are the rest of the money? So when we said literally state government is complicit, I don't know about federal, but I know of state. And presently, the children in Musa that were kidnapped, I started another mediation with ISWAP. One of their people now confirmed to me that the Borno state government said, are they in mediations with Borno South Youth Alliance or Bosia President or anything?
Can you imagine? Wọ́n tún já àwọn ọmọ mi kó ní Borno State. Borno State governor allegedly gẹ́gẹ́ bí tí màánù yìí ń sọ ó ń béèrè lọ́wọ́ àwọn ISWAP wípé ṣé wọ́n negotiate pẹ̀lú òun àbí wọ́n ní another in-house mediator.
If they are, they should not, you know, that they have who they would run their whole thing with. An
tó bá jẹ́ pé wọ́n ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ lóòótọ́ kí wọ́n stop ẹ̀ àwa láwọn tí wọ́n negotiate fáwa àwa láwọn mediator tí wọ́n tọ̀dọ̀ ti wá tó bá jẹ́ pé tí ń ṣe pẹ̀lú president southern kìnìún kan ní Borno State ẹ̀ stop ẹ̀ southern youth.
Everything. All of a sudden, Borno State government commissioner at a forum played a video, a 9 seconds or is it 18 seconds video of the children being held by ISWAP. Where did he get the video?
Ọ̀rọ̀ lélẹ̀ o níbo ni commissioner ti rí fídíò àwọn that means baba commissioner náà ń sọ̀rọ̀ pẹ̀lú àwọn ISWAP nìyẹn. All right.
All of a sudden, Borno State government don't do things like this. Now, because we came into a mediation and we're exposing certain facts about monies being paid to certain people, all of a sudden, they now start talking to some of these cells that don't talk to these people. At the end, you know, we have our own in person. Now, we played something psychologically. We did that because we wanted to trigger the state government to go in first before us, you know, which they later bite to debate. And now you have a
fún ọ̀gbẹ́yìn ọ̀jọ̀gbọ́n gbọ́ ọ̀jọ̀gbọ́n lẹ́yìn òpè láwa mediator di méjì òun wá fẹ́ mú state government lọ́rùn ọwọ́ òun fẹ́ mú wọn gbọ̀nwọ́ òun jẹ́ kí wọ́n kọ́kọ́ lọ náà kán kọ́kọ́ jẹ lọ wọ́n dẹ̀ òun kẹ́pàkúté fún wọn wọ́n dẹ̀ wọnú ẹ̀.
Commissioner playing video of the people that were kidnapped, and we already said they are literally involved. They keep extorting the federal government, you know. Now Tinubu is there sitting, they bring
they keep extorting federal government. Problems
to him. Our state, they've kidnapped, they've done this. What do they want? How do I solve this problem? They said they want 5 billion, they want this. What has the military done? The military has tried, but you know, they will kill and all that and everything. Then Tinubu goes like, okay, it's fine. What do we do? Let us solve this problem. Then he releases funds. State government gets her own. Some of the political powers in the state get her own. Then what? The terrorists get a cut of it. 5 billion. Imagine them getting 1.9 billion. This is something they told me, and we have everything evidently. There is nothing to hide here. And we are tired. That is why we are speaking out now.
All right. Life ako wa sofo. Nti ó ṣàṣẹlẹ̀ ni wípé ìjáde nínú negotiation ẹ̀ńtọ́ ọdún yẹ kó léwájú wọn gba sẹ́gbẹ́ kan òun náà dẹ̀ mẹ́nu líle. All right. Ẹgbọ́rọ̀ máa nìyí o. The president of Borno South Youth Alliance, Somaila Kaigama, recounted a frightening moment during negotiations over the abduction of other victims from Orire in Oyo State, alleging that kidnappers threatened to pine several women and children because they believed the government was not responding quickly enough. Speaking during an interview náà ni mo play fún yín o, Kaigama described what he said was one of the most tense moments. Nti mo ra play 5 minutes ń bẹ̀ yẹn 20 something minutes ni o, mi kàn fẹ́ gba time yín ni. Okay? Now, he said one of the most tense moments of the negotiations. He claimed the abductors contacted him through a video call and showed a group of women and children whom they threatened to execute if their demands were not met promptly. According to Kaigama, The incident demonstrated the level of danger surrounding the negotiations and the pressure placed on those working to secure the release of the captives. He said the kidnappers appeared determined to convince negotiators that they were prepared to carry out their threats unless swift action was taken. Narrating the experience, Kaigama said, and I quote, "They lined up about 15 to 25 women and children. The video called me and were about to power all of them because the government was not cooperating fast." He explained that the video call was intended to intensify pressure on those involved in the negotiation by creating fear that the hostages would be paying if there were further delays. According to him, the kidnappers used the captives as leverage in an attempt to force a quicker response. Then, the account profiles Kaigama's version of events surrounding the Orire school abduction and highlight the difficult circumstances faced during the effort to rescue the victims. However, there has been no official confirmation from the Nigerian authorities regarding his specific claims about the alleged video call or the threats made by the abductors. But lo and behold, gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì yídì sí láti san ransom. Gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì lè jáde láti wá sọ fún wa wípé wọn ò san ransom. Wọ́n láǹfààní àti sọ fún wa wípé wọ́n rescue wọn ni nígbà tí wọ́n tó jẹ́ pé ṣe làwọn yẹn release wọn. Kidnapping for ransom continues to pose major security challenge in several parts of Nigeria, with criminal groups increasingly targeting schools, communities, and travelers. Security agencies have continued efforts to combat the menace through intelligence gathering, rescue operations, and increased security deployments, while authorities have repeatedly urged citizens not to negotiate with kidnappers. So wọ́n ní ẹ má negotiate pẹ̀lú wọn mọ́. Gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì ló kù tí wọ́n máa bá wa negotiate pẹ̀lú wọn. But àwọn tán jí kó lẹ́kìtì family náà lọ negotiate pẹ̀lú wọn kán tó release wọn. Àwọn tán jí kó ní Kwara State àwọn family wọn ló negotiate pẹ̀lú wọn kí wọ́n tó release wọn, kì í ṣe gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ló kú sákóló àwọn ajínigbé ńgbà tí gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì tán tètè respond. Ńgbà táriwo bá ti pọ̀ gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì ò ní bọ́n ṣe fẹ́ san ransom mọ́ tá a fi ní gbọ́.